Cooking verbs. Two friends, Ali and Maxine, cook dinner together. Hey, how are you doing today? Guess you've got everything already? Hi, I'm good, thanks. And yes, we plan to cook dinner together. So what's the plan? Well, I have a great idea. We will cook a traditional American dinner. How do you like this plan? Wow, fantastic. Let's do this. I have prepared all the ingredients. We will make teriyaki beef, cream pasta with bacon, and roasted salmon for the main course. And for side dishes, how about the mashed potato, garlic bread, and chicken nuggets? Sure, that sounds nice. How do I make teriyaki beef? All it has is rice and teriyaki beef. That sounds easy, but how do I make it? First, you need to make some white rice. Then what do I do? Then you need to shred some beef and marinate it with teriyaki sauce. Then you cook it and eat it. Okay, I got it. And how do you plan on cooking the cream pasta? Do you want to make pasta? I got this new recipe for basic egg pasta and it's quite easy. Oh, cool, but I forgot to buy flour. Don't worry, I brought flour enough to make pasta for two. First, whip together the flour and salt with a fork in a mixing bowl. Crack the eggs into the middle of the bowl. Okay, shall I whisk the eggs? Yes, whisk until it starts forming a very soft dough. Then, gently folding the dough on itself, flattening and folding again, it will be extremely soft at first, then gradually start to firm up. Okay, it is firm enough to knead. Now begin kneading the dough. Slice into the dough with a paring knife. Flatten one piece of dough and feed it through the pasta roller. Okay, I feed it through a couple of times. It's smooth enough to cut now. Okay, we will switch to the noodle cutter and run the sheet of pasta through the cutter. And we have the fresh egg pasta homemade. Okay, now let's make the sauce. I will share my sauce making with you. First, you heat olive in a medium pan over medium heat. Chop garlic, then add into the pan and stir until fragrant, 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, shall I add butter? Yes, and stir constantly until melted. Then pour in chicken broth, then add pepper and salt. Okay, it's boiling. Shall I add the pasta? Yes, and stir heavy cream and parsley into the pasta. Then grate the Parmesan cheese and mix thoroughly. Okay, all done. That smells good. Well done. Thanks. And our last main dish is grilled salmon. Okay, would you mind preheating the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, please? I will season the salmon with salt and pepper. Add some cheese and squeeze in a couple of drops of lemon juice. Okay, ready. Now place salmon skin side down. How long do I set the cooking timer? Grill until salmon is cooked through, about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, the main dishes are ready. Now let's move to the side dishes. Can you tell me how to do your famous delicious chicken nuggets? Oh, it's easy. I will season the chicken with garlic, salt, and pepper. Then coat it with flour. Then you prepare the breadcrumbs. I will season it with salt and pepper. Okay, then whisk the egg and water in a bowl. Then dip the chicken in the egg mixture, then breadcrumbs, gently pressing the crumbs into the chicken. Okay, the chicken is coated well. Then heat the vegetable oil in a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the chicken pieces to the pan and fry until it turns brown on each side. Okay, done. Great. And the big secret is to sprinkle the nuggets with a little bit of salt while it is hot and serve. Ooh, that is very nice. Where did you get the recipe from? I have a cookbook. Please help me with the presentation of the dish. Here, take this plate and tissues. Lay the tissues on the plate and then put the nuggets on the plate. Please, pass me that tomato sauce bottle. It will enhance its taste. Good idea! Do you want to know its recipe? Of course, it's very tasty. It's also very cheap, easy, and fast to cook. I'm giving you a CD of this recipe. I hope that you will try it. Well, I shall try it on Sunday. And now we should finish our side dishes before we move to make dessert. Okay, peel those potatoes, then place potatoes and water to cover in a large saucepan. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat, cook until tender. Okay, what's next? Drain, return to pan, mash potatoes to desired consistency, stir in. Add salt and heavy cream if you like it creamy. Yes. Can I add a little garlic? Sure. Oh, it smells nice. Okay, mashed potatoes are ready. Now for the garlic bread. Since the bread, then dice the garlic into small pieces and mix it with butter and spread it on the bread. And place it in the oven and bake for 5 minutes. All done. So what should we do for dessert? Let's make chocolate brownies. I'm really good at this. But we don't have much time left to make brownies. What if I told you that you don't need to melt chocolate or chocolate chips? Just one bowl and 5 minutes, bringing it all together to make the best brownies you've ever eaten. Really? Is that possible? Yes, the best part is they're only 144 calories each. Wow! Tell me how to do it. Every step is the same, but the one ingredient I add these brownies that is different from most recipes is a small amount of oil. Once you have all the ingredients, mix them all, then bake for 10 minutes. Okay, the dessert will be ready just in time. Great, I think everything is ready. Shall we sit? Yes, come on, let's eat. Oh, everything looks so good. Cooking is quite tiring, but it is so much fun. I learned a lot today. Let's do it again next week. Okay, we will try Asian food next time. Sure!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.